2019. Dear Lower School, we hope everyone had a great weekend. Can you believe you only have a few more days till spring break? Please clap in sign language if you're excited. We'll show you how to do that. When you came in this morning, you may have heard music playing. We decided to play music as you arrived because the rest of the sem is going to be a bit quieter. Also, did you know that deaf people still listen to music? They can feel the vibrations being produced by the music.
In Mrs. Schuster's class, we learn sign language. We use sign language in our class every single day. We sign our whole morning routine and throughout the day. There are some days when we use sign language the entire morning. Today, we are going to teach you a little bit about American Sign Language and show you a few signs you can try this morning. We hope you enjoy. Sincerely, Mrs. Schuster's K-9 fifth grade.
What is American Sign Language? American Sign Language, also known as ASL, is a complex language that uses signs made by moving the hands combined with facial expressions and postures of the body. It is the primary language of many North Americans who are deaf and is one of several communication options used by people who are deaf or hard of hearing. So what's that mean? Basically, ASL is a way for deaf people to talk to each other by using their hands, face, and body.
Have you met someone who's deaf? Guess what? They're just like you and me. The only difference is that they can't hear. So we need to make sure we treat everyone with respect.
This is how you say hello in sign language. Make sure your fingers are closed. Now you try.
Now we're going to teach you how to say nice to meet you in sign language. Nice to meet you has 3 signs.
The first sign is open palm. Similar to a B, but open palm. It is going to be nice, nice, nice. Try it. This is the second sign, 2B. You're going to stick your index fingers up and close your fist. These represent 2 people meeting. So these 2 people are meeting. Let's try those 2 parts together. Nice to meet. Nice to meet.
The last part is you. And that part is pretty simple. Now let's try it all together. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you.
Please turn to the person sitting next to you and greet them using the signs you just learned.
Ready? Nice to meet.
Here are a few more words you can learn in sign language. This sign means yes. This sign is for no.
We have a couple questions for you, and we want you to answer in sign language using either yes or no.
Are you tired this morning?
You eat breakfast this morning?
Lastly, a few words that are nice to know in sign language are sorry and please. This is the sign for sorry. Notice how she changes her face when signing the word sorry. This sign is for please. Notice again how her face changes depending on the word that is being said.
We want to thank you so much for having us teach you some sign language this fall. This is sign language.
what time it is, boys and girls. It's birthday time. That's right. If you have a birthday in March, can you stand, please, and remain standing? Also, I think I could use some help this morning in singing happy birthday. We have a special birthday by someone you know, which is Mrs. Fahrenkopf. So if you can come down here, Mrs. Fahrenkopf. I hear you have a beautiful voice.
It's not for a couple weeks, Mr. K.
I know, but it's in March. There you go. All righty now. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Cha cha cha. Happy birthday, dear Vikings.
Happy birthday to you. All right. Round of applause. Nice job.
It's great to see everybody back. This is our last week before spring break. And before we get on to a couple of other things, Mrs. Shunnison, can you please stand up? This is Mrs. Shunnison's final week before she goes on maternity leave. And when we see her, let's give her a round of applause. When we see her, hopefully later this spring, she'll come to school and visit, and she will have her new baby. So we're very excited. Thank you for a great first part of the year. We look forward when you come back. We also, I want to introduce 2 other people that are going to be starting today. Mr. Heitenhove, if you could please stand up. He will be teaching Mrs. Shunnison's class. Let's welcome Mr. Heitenhove. He's moving here with his family from North Carolina, so he just came up. And we also want to introduce Mrs. Arnold. Mrs. Arnold, if you could please stand up. She is our new principal associate. So welcome, Mrs. Arnold. I've got a son, and he every day last week, he got to wear something different to school because it was their spirit week. And I was thinking, we don't have a spirit week, it doesn't seem like. I don't remember one from last year. And I thought, I think we need one in the lower school. So what we're going to do is there'll be a box, kind of where the flag of the week box is, a different box. And you'll be able to put in there suggestions on what kind of activities, dress-up things we can have. And we will have a spirit week later this spring. But we need all of your good ideas. So we'll select 5 of your ideas, and we will have a spirit week sometime probably in the year as we get closer to the end of the year. So think about fun ideas for Spirit Week. This is Mauritius, and Mauritius, while you're reading your names up there, Noor, her mother is from this beautiful island, and I'll show you where it is in Africa. It's a very small island, and you can see there when you look at the world, you've got Africa here, the continent of Africa, and the continent of Asia over here, and this is Australia, and it just sits right here. But you can see all these kind of coral reefs kind of coming right to it. Some more beaches. Port Louis. And this flag of the week. And it's kind of hard to tell, but those are red parts. So it's a white part in the middle and a red part on the top and the bottom. And the words of wisdom this week, you'll recognize these because we've had these before. The golden rule is to treat others the way you want to be treated. And one of the things that I want to really stress as we kind of get into the last week before spring break and when we come back is to make sure you're keeping your hands and your feet to yourselves. I know a lot of you like to have a great time out on the playground and in the hallways and different areas, but it's really important that you always keep your hands and your feet to yourself. So I hope everybody has a great final week of school before spring break. Don't give up on your studies now. You've got 5 more days and then a wonderful spring break. Enjoy your week, everybody.